is the campground office. And here we are hanging out. Hello guys, aloha. Yep, Maka wants to go swim again, play ball. Where's your ball? Find your ball. Where's the ball?
So how can I catch another wave like that? Like just how it is. Because it was like I was halfway to the waves were breaking. Like see where it kind of gets like aqua instead of dark blue. You know what I'm talking about? That's where I was. And the wave was big, and I just had to turn around. But like every time I couldn't really get it. So I just have to wait.
Give Dad that ball. That's Dad's ball. Give Dad the ball.
You know what I mean? Like the wave was big.
Sit. Chick. So this is the view from inside of our tent, which is like fucking awesome view. Makauli. Go get the ball. Give Dad the ball. That's Dad's ball. This is Maka in the tent. Are you happy to be home in Hawaii? Huh? Makauli, you love Dad. So, it's very windy here tonight. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning. Got my little glow stick up here, which actually was perfect. Last night it provided just enough light. We got our Mylar blanket here. Maka's curled up in the corner with Dad. When we curl up together under this Mylar blanket, I feel like a Twix candy bar. So it's like silver. Anyways, so this tent is like super nice. It's got it makes a perfect wind block. It just keeps the wind off me. I'm not a big fan of wind. And with this glow stick here, I can find the bottle of rum or Maka's ball. So this is inside the tent. Makauli, are you a rock star or what? Are we camping? Are you watching Dad's back? Huh? Where's the cows? See any fucking cows? This is our foam mat to sleep on. Even though we're on a sandy beach, the ground is like pretty hard. The sand is packed down. So, anyways, that's what's going on at 3 o'clock in the morning. Here we are hanging out. Hello guys, aloha. Yep, Maka wants to go swim again, play ball. Where's your ball? Find your ball. Where's the ball?
So how can I catch another wave like that? Like just how it is. Because it was like I was halfway to the waves were breaking. Like see where it kind of gets like aqua instead of dark blue. You know what I'm talking about? That's where I was. And the wave was big, and I just had to turn around. But like every time I couldn't really get it. So I just have to wait.
Give Dad that ball. That's Dad's ball. Give Dad the ball. Sit. Aloha, Matt. We met these guys camping, and this is Rabbit. Rabbit. Hi, Rabbit. Hi, sweetie. Maka likes her.
Hi, Maka.
Yeah, Maka really likes her. Aloha. We're having fun here. Okay, big major development here today.
Back.
We found the pen. Woohoo! We got drunk and lost it last night. You know, that's what Captain Morgan will do to you. So, Shane,
It's returned.
congratulations. Yeah. Maka's happy even though he don't smoke. Yeah.
All is well.
So, the sun just set, and I don't know what day this is, day 3 maybe of our trip here on Oahu. Maka's asleep over here in the corner. We walked probably about 6 or 8 miles today, back and forth into the store and stuff. And we're having a great time. It's like super fun and everything, but we are here for a reason. And as the sun goes down each night, you know, and throughout the day too, you know, the reason we're here is 22 veterans take their own lives every single day, and I personally think that's a goddamn shame. And there's a solution, and the solution is right over here in the corner of the bed, right here. Maka, you're the solution. Where are you? Right there, Maka Uli. See, that's the solution. Have a good night. I'm gonna post this one, and these videos maybe get better, maybe not. You gotta remember, a blind guy is making these fucking things. Aloha.